If you want to apply the same look to multiple photos in Lightroom, this quick copy and paste method is one of the fastest ways to do it. It's perfect when you've already edited one photo and want the exact same adjustments on the rest of your images without starting over from scratch. In this video, I'll show you how to do it step by step. And if this helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy Lightroom tutorials. First, open Lightroom and go to the photo that you have already edited. This is the image with the preset or adjustments you want to copy. Once you've selected that edited photo, click on it so it's active. Now use Ctrl+C on your keyboard. This copies the edit settings from that photo. Next, select the other photos you want to apply the same look to. You can click one photo, or if you want to choose multiple photos, hold Ctrl and click each image you want to include. Make sure the photos you want are selected before moving to the next step. Now press Ctrl+V on your keyboard. This pastes the copied settings onto all the selected photos at once. Lightroom will apply the same preset or editing adjustments across those images, saving you a lot of time. If needed, you can repeat the same process again. Just select your edited photo, press Ctrl+C, then choose the other photos, and press Ctrl+V. This is a simple workflow, but it's incredibly useful when you're editing a batch of photos and want a consistent style throughout. Keep in mind that this method copies the edit settings from one photo to the others, so it works best when the images were shot in similar lighting and conditions. That way, the preset or adjustments will look balanced across all your photos. And that's it. You've now learned how to apply a preset to multiple photos in Lightroom using the copy and paste method. It's fast, easy, and a huge time saver for any photographer or content creator. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Lightroom tips, and I'll see you in the next video.